BioScape Technologies Incorporated is pleased to introduce a wastewater treatment technology applied to package and larger plants that utilizes an elegant configuration representing the best of aerobic sequenced fixed media treatment. We call it our bioreactor. Some of our available options provide for maximum ease of installation and flexibility. This above-ground package plant, for example, is placed on a concrete pad and was received as a completed plant. It was placed by crane with electrical, air, and water systems intact. A turnkey installation. All surfaces of this plant that are exposed to wastewater are of stainless steel, synthetic fabric, or plastic. Package and in-ground bioreactors are also constructed of concrete. Control room panels are simple because there are very few moving parts in a bioreactor, and so operations and maintenance procedures are elementary. Redundancy is always designed in, and a simple timer is used to toggle between motors to provide even usage. Frequency drives to the motors allow motor speed adjustment, conserving energy during low flow seasons. Other options include remote reporting, alarms, remote sensing, and monitoring. Although stage configuration varies with treatment requirements, many attributes of the bioreactor are found commonly in all of them. All are provided with individual access to all stages in the treatment sequence. Fabric banks are oriented with respect to the water circulating patterns created by air diffusers anchored to the chamber floors. Individual ball valves allow for setting according to treatment needs. The patented fabric is synthetic and provides the three-dimensionality needed for biomass concentrations required for accelerated organic reduction and requires no maintenance and should be expected to last the life of the system. There is an increasing trend around the world to utilize treated wastewater for beneficial uses. Subsurface irrigation fields can use spaced underground emitters to nourish the root systems of grasses and landscape. Nitrates are thus taken up and irrigation water needs are reduced or eliminated. Looking at this scaled, transparent model will help to provide a basic understanding of the bioreactor. For this model, air to the diffusers is provided by an air compressor instead of by a blower as in actual systems. Also, actual systems contain fabric to hold fixed media in all stages. But in this 8-chambered model, fabric is only placed in the first 2 stages, so we can get a clearer look at the system. The air diffusers in this tank, except for that in stage number 6, are simple T's, whereas diffusers in actual systems are usually H and double H patterns. Diffuser design is another very important aspect of these systems, ensuring proper mix and aeration. Air is driven from the blowers located in the control room at the front of the system, through the main pipe and thence to each branch. Each stage of the bioreactor has a branch, and airflow to each branch is controlled by a manual or automatic ball valve. Air travels thence to the diffusers anchored at the bottom of each stage. Untreated wastewater, or influent, flows into the first stage of the system, either by pump or by gravity. Short-circuiting is prevented by a simple over and under, zigzagging produced by placement of notches and baffles between alternating adjacent stages. A wastewater unit enters into this stage, thence below the baffle separating it from the stage to its right, and so on, until exiting the final stage to disposal or beneficial use. For actual data, a table of the reduction of organic waste in the system from which this transparent tank is modeled is calculated as shown on our webpage, addressed as www.bioscapetechnologies.com. Just click onto the page, and then click on the side menu item entitled Technical Data, and scroll down to the table entitled Kinetics of Typical MAB Sanitary Wastewater Treatment. BioScape Technologies is an environmental firm of engineers, scientists, and design professionals dedicated to providing this revolutionary wastewater treatment technology. We call the process Multi-Stage Activated Biological Processing, or MAB. Utilizing groundbreaking technology, BioScape Technologies applies the MAB method to provide high-quality purification of domestic and industrial wastewaters. Whatever your wastewater loading parameters, site constraints and opportunities, and effluent requirements, our team gets to work to develop the best design alternatives using this elegant, low-maintenance treatment technology. Check us out at www.bioscapetechnologies.com. You can also contact us from the web by clicking on the Contact Us item on the floating menu.